Alright, this is going to be a quick video on resetting the local root account on a Proxmox node. As you can see, I can no longer log in at the moment. I have the server accessible via ILO right now. It's as if it's like virtually right next to me on a monitor. I'm going to go ahead and reboot it with CTRL+ALT+DEL since I can't log in. If you have any VMs, try and shut them down as much as you can. Log into them via SSH or RDP, etc. We're going to need everything shut down so this can shut down gracefully. And once it's rebooted here, it's gonna take a moment for my server to go through all the post steps, and so I'll let this reboot, and then I'll fast forward through the post install. Okay, so to begin resetting the password on Proxmox, after your server boots up, you want to catch the Proxmox bootloader right before it starts booting. You should see a screen like this that gives you two options: Proxmox Virtual Environment and Reboot Firmware Interface. When this screen pops up, just hit the arrow key up or down, and then it'll stop the countdown. And then once that's done, go ahead and have the Proxmox Virtual Environment selected. Press E, and you'll see this little bar pop up where it says like root equals ZFS rpool /r root. Go ahead and go to the very end of that line. You can just press the N key and then hit a space, and then type in init equals /bin /bash. This is going to let the bootloader drop you into a root shell. Go ahead and press enter once you have that in there. It's going to do it's going to start like trying to boot the kernel into an operating mode, and then now you should see that you're in a root shell. So like at the bottom here, you can see root at none. So go ahead here and then type in passwd, PASSWD, and then just press enter, and then it's going to start prompting you for a new password. So I'm just going to type in the password of change me, and then it'll ask you to confirm it, and just press enter each time, and then it says the password has successfully been updated. So I'm going to go ahead and type in reboot. If you get an error message here, it's probably okay. Go ahead and just hit CTRL+ALT+DEL then on your keyboard. It's saying that the systemd is not available, so it doesn't know how to process that. So go ahead and I'm just gonna hit the virtual CTRL+ALT+DEL because I don't have a physical keyboard and I'm not next to the machine. So once the server boots up, I'll resume the video. This is going to take a while to get through post on my server, so I'll see you in a second. Alright, so Proxmox is coming back up, so we'll be able to test the new password in just a moment. But I wanted to call out that the Proxmox wiki for this is actually pretty confusing, because in the wiki here it says to reset, all you got to do is just edit the grub bootloader and look for the line that starts with Linux /VM lins. But that, I mean, obviously what you saw, that none of this exists in the default bootloader that shows up. I think this is for some other version of Proxmox. The other methods that you can consider are using a live CD, but I think this is just easier using the init bin bash, but you have to know how to do that and where to put it, which is what this video is going to help provide you. So this is the old password that I was trying. Make sure the realm that you're using is correct. In regards for the local account, you want to use the Linux PAM standard authentication as far as I know. So I'm going to type in the new password of change me that I just set, and as you can see, it logged in instantly. So I'm logged in. I can log out, log back in, and everything is working all right. So I hope that helped, and If you have any other questions or need additional help on something, let me know. One last thing that would be much appreciated is if you could like this video, as it will improve the search rankings for finding this video for other people in the future. For example, if you try and search Proxmox root password reset, this quick and easy video won't show up towards the top of the list because YouTube really doesn't know about it. So if you can give a video a like, that would be much appreciated. Take care.